So as you know, from the rest of my videos on this pretty new channel, you can see that I'm highly interested in credit cards. Some of you early viewers may have seen me talk about my credit card strategy for 2023. Well, since this credit card game just changes so frequently, I've already changed my mind on a few credit cards. In this video, we're gonna look at each credit card that I'm using for this quarter, how I plan on using it, and what I think I'm gonna do with the rest of them for the rest of this year. This is my wallet. And let me tell you something about it. It might look like an expensive wallet, but it's really not. It's from DHgate. I was just curious to see what the quality would look like. And honestly, after months of using it, it's blown me away. So we're just gonna go ahead and address that right off the bat. I can finally say that I have a business. While it's something I wouldn't really believe have ever happened to me, somehow in 2023, we are finally here. All right, well, the Chase, I should probably put tape on it. I need to tape this credit card, hang on. This is it, the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited, everyone. Now, as many of you know, this card had a large sign-up bonus just like a month or so ago. With that 90,000 point sign-up bonus, I had to take this offer. I knew that if I were gonna get into YouTube, I had to take this seriously. And with that, I knew I was gonna be spending some money, and what better thing to put it on than a business card? Seriously though, so I'm working on that $6,000 sign-up bonus requirement, and let me tell you, it's gonna be hard to get that. This is the highest that I've ever had to spend for any credit card sign-up bonus. I'm just a guy living in Chicago in my own apartment, and it's not like I'm spending a ton of money. I researched a bit before getting this card, and I know you guys always say, listen, don't change your spending requirements. I'm the one telling everyone that, and you know, that's true. I would not recommend changing your spending requirements. There is one thing I gotta tell you though. Fucking God, I'm gonna kill the fucker. I have some upcoming expenses to put on this card, like softball registration, Final Cut Pro, and honestly, I want a better camera and recording system. This is not cutting it. I figured these were expenses I was gonna spend anyway, and it wasn't gonna be a big deal. I would have bought them with cash if I didn't have this card. I wasn't just like, it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta figure out a way to hit this bonus. And so I asked myself, if you're gonna go ahead and spend on something, maybe to hit a bonus or to not, think to yourself, would you buy this with cash if you didn't have a credit card at all? Think twice before you buy something. That's the most important part. You know, while all this stuff will help me hit $6,000, I know I'm not gonna be able to hit it, so the rest of my plan is gonna be something I've never done before. So I looked online and I figured I could just buy Amazon gift cards if I need to hit like maybe $500 or an extra $1,000 in June by the time I'm almost done with this bonus. I'm gonna try that out and see how it goes. When I learned that you can earn money on rent, I really thought that was crazy. I had to apply. With that extremely high sign-up bonus I had to hit with the Inc., I needed a card with no spending requirement. With that, I present you my second favorite card, the Built Mastercard. This is the Built Mastercard. I will use the Built Mastercard to pay my rent in this Chicago apartment. I'm gonna earn 1x back on dining, and 2x back on travel that I probably won't use. The best part about this card is that I don't need to write any more checks. And while I already went through and filled them all out, just because you never know, I'm not gonna need to use them anymore as the Built Mastercard does this on my behalf. So I complicated my life initially by having to go out, get this card, and you know, deal with Wells Fargo. You have to create a separate Wells Fargo account just to get auto pay on this card. It was worth it. Since now everything's already set up, I can sit back, relax, and pay my apartment. Since I have to hit 5 transactions per statement period, this card lives in my wallet. For use at Chipotle, anything I wanna get when I'm hungry, you know, I gotta hit 5 transactions, and it's a good dining card. Oh, I said earlier you get 2x back on dining. You get 2x back on travel, 3x back on dining. I keep this card in my wallet because you get that 3x back. It's kind of the highest earning potential card that I have for dining, which is kind of funny. I don't have the Amex Gold. So I guess that's kind of it. I really only plan on using these 3 cards. Oh, wait, I forgot to say the Venture X card. This is the Venture X, the most prestigious entry-level travel credit card that you can get today. I love this card. It has some of the best benefits you can get. $400 back for a $395 annual fee card. $300 travel credit, 10,000 miles per year. It equals 400 bucks. You profit $5. I gotta keep this card. So I'm not gonna be able to use this card right now. I'm still hitting that ink bonus. After that, it's gonna be my catch-all card. That 2x back on everything is unbeatable, and I'm gonna hope that there's gonna be better transfer partners. Eventually, it would be nice to be able to take those points and transfer them somewhere else. For now, I'm just gonna earn them up and hope that I can use them later. I did see some cool redemptions like KLM Flying Blue if you wanna go to Paris or something like that, or Amsterdam. I just did that, did not use the redemptions, just paid with cash, but I see myself using Capital One miles, no problem. It's gonna go dormant for now. I'm using the ink to hit that bonus, and then I'm gonna use this card as my catch-all card. So that's kinda it, guys. It's really only these 3 cards. I like to call this the building phase. I'm hitting sign-up bonuses. That's my main strategy. I'm not really going out and optimizing every part of my spend, like travel, hotels, restaurants. Right now, I'm gonna be getting a higher return on spend, like 20%, if I go for bonuses. And since I'm way under 524, I think I'm at 324, I just kind of got back into the credit card game. I'm gonna be going for these applications, getting tons of credit cards for this year. And then next year, I'll optimize my percentage return on spend for each category. Many of you have used this strategy in the past. I've seen your videos, and I think this is a great idea. I wanna try this myself, get all those cards, and then let you guys know how it goes. I made one of my first videos with 8 credit cards, which is already kind of a lot, and I've already got up to 11 now. So maybe we'll see how it goes. I'll keep going, and I really have no sign of stopping. Like always, I'm gonna keep all of you guys updated on what I'm doing with credit cards, and I'm gonna keep making videos to talk about my experience, and I really appreciate the support from everyone. I'm pretty new, and this has been an exciting journey, so we'll see how far it goes, and I'm excited to keep going. So I appreciate all of you guys for watching, and I want you all to have a good day, so take it easy.